Very good morning, dear students. So, today we will be doing the ninth chapter of SS, that is social life. Okay, so starting with the chapter, we are describing about our country, India's social life. And as the name India comes to our mind, our own land, our motherland, what is the first thing that is coming? We have so much variations and still we stand united. Yes, that is unity in diversity. It is one of the vast country in the continent of एशिया. एशिया का सबसे वास्ट कंट्री है. ठीक है. एंड इन आवर कंट्री वी कैन सी वेरिएशंस, डाइवर्सिटीज in terms of many things, in terms of language, in terms of culture, in terms of rituals, in terms of customs, in terms of clothing, region, languages, food, cuisine, etc, etc, etc. So these broad categorization, these broad diversity can be witnessed in our country. Still all of us stand united irrespective of what we are, whether we belong to any caste, whether we belong to any culture, tradition, whatever it is. ये सब होने के बावजूद we stand united. Okay. And we can trace back the diversity in our culture into the various civilization, from the Indus Valley civilization, as well as we have gone through various vast historical empires. Various trading centers were set up in our country from other countries in order to get gaining from our country's prospected and prosperous diversity. Okay. Commercially as well as culturally our country is progressing, and we can witness the variation in terms of various mountain ranges, vast seas, large river irrigated lands, countless river streams, dark forests, sandy deserts, etc. have adorned and add on to the beauty of our country. Now, in this chapter today we'll be discussing about the social life in all the four directions of our country, that is west, north, south and east, all the four directions and the states belonging to them with respect to the various cuisines, festival, culture, traditions, languages, etc. followed up in those places. So let's start with the first topic, that is social life of Western India. Moving on to the social life of Western India. As we look at the map of our country, in the west side of our country we can find various states like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Goa, etc. So preferably Gujarat and Rajasthan, these are mainly considered as the west part of our India. Okay, so let us start with the social life, especially with respect to Gujarat. Okay, you can find a longer coastal line on the west part of your country, as Arabian Sea is over there. In spite of that, the people living in Gujarat प्रेफर वेजिटेरियन क्विजाइन, वेजिटेरियन फूड वो प्रेफर करते हैं. उनका स्टेपल डाइट मीन्स बेसिक जो उनका खाना है उसमें क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है? सीरियल्स, पल्सेस, ओके, that is rice, dal, etc. Then buttermilk, milk, curd, ghee, then etc. are also very popular things which they use in their regular diet. Kathiawadi dish is also a prominent dish preferred in Gujarat, and dal bati in Rajasthan. Yes, we have such a big coastal line, therefore we can easily get many eggs. Then fishes are all at an easily available in the western coast of our country. Okay. Then what are the clothing that they prefer? The people of west side, what are the clothing that they prefer to? The male members, they prefer to wear a dhoti, Okay, Jodhpuri trousers, which are known as chino pajamas, loose from the waist and tight from the knee to the ankle. मतलब ऊपर से ऐसा लूज होगा और नीचे से एकदम फिट होता है. The balloon pant pattern you say ना, that way. Okay, then they wear the short pleated frock kind of thing, that is KDO, that you say. Yeah, उसको अंगारकू भी कहते हैं, और a kurta, that is the top that they prefer, and the bottom, this is the traditional wear they are discussing. Okay. Then they also carry a stole, that is khais on their shoulders, so दुपट्टा जैसा भी डालते हैं. ठीक है. Women wear saris, they have different way of wearing the sari na, the pallav comes in the front, so that way. Then in Rajasthan, men wear a dhoti and a short pleated frock shirt, and women wear colorful pleated ankle skirts with long waist blouses. In Maharashtra, women wear the 9-yard divided sari, that is the Nawari or the Kachoto. Okay, so if we move on to Rajasthan, we can see the men are wearing the similar kind of thing, but they, instead of the kurta type, they are wearing one with the buttons in the short pattern. Okay, and women are wearing long choli type of thing. Okay, long skirts, they which are till their ankles, and they also wear long blouses with long sleeves and all. Okay. And in Maharashtra, the women wear नौवारी साड़ी, it is of 9 yard, मतलब काफ़ी लंबा होता है. They wear in a different pattern, as you can see in the image. Okay. Understood? Yeah. And as the time is developing, means this is a change is an inevitable part of our life. Yes, changes आते रहते हैं, तो वो changes के हिसाब से our clothing, our lifestyle, our food habits, everything is getting renovated with the time and need. And nowadays people, for traditional, they are preferring salwar kameez for women, and for men they wear normal trousers and shirts. Okay. Then the people of rural areas and tribal dress according to the region they live. They have to preserve themselves from the atmosphere, the climate, the seasonal changes, right? For the people in rural and ट्राइबल एरियाज, रूरल मतलब विलेज, एंड ट्राइबल मीन्स दैट बैकवर्ड एरियाज होते हैं ना, जहाँ पे फॉरेस्ट काइंड ऑफ लाइफ स्टाइल होता है. सो दे वियर देयर क्लोथिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द रीजन दे आर लिविंग. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज रिगार्डिंग द हाउसेस which are constructed in the western part. So these houses are made using the brick, stone and cement. Okay. And in the forest and hilly areas, the people live in the huts which are made from the bamboo sticks. शादी के मंडप में सब नहीं यूज़ करते बैम्बू स्टिक्स, वो लंबे लंबे मंडप बांधने के लिए, सपोर्ट के लिए. हाँ, वैसे लंबे लंबे बैम्बू स्टिक्स यूज़ करके ट्राइबल एरियाज में घर बनाया जाता है. ओके. देन टीक के ब्रांचेस को भी हर जगह से कट करके इन लोग यूज़ करके दे मेक इट. हाँ. देन ऑल्सो लॉन्ग टीक ट्रीज आर ऑल्सो स्प्रेड आउट इन द areas of the forest, that is tribal areas where people live. Okay. Then in the villages of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, the houses are made of sandstone, bricks and cement. Okay. Yeah. Next we are moving to the languages. Languages the people speak in Gujarati. So in the western side of our country, we can find these languages: Gujarati, Marathi, Konkani, Rajasthani, Hindi. These are some of the languages that people prefer, and people use local dialects in forest and tribal areas. जो ट्राइबल एरियाज में रहते हैं, द आदिवासी काइंड ऑफ एरियाज, या इन दोज प्लेसेस एंड इन द वेरियस रूरल रीजन्स, दे से द लैंग्वेज विच इज़ ऑफ देयर डायलेक्ट. उनका जो लोकल लैंग्वेज है वो वही बोलते हैं. क्लियर? ऑफ कोर्स अभी हमारे कंट्री में इतनी सारी डाइवर्सिटी है, इतना सारा चेंजेस है, तो जितने चेंजेस है उतना कस्टम्स है. ठीक है, उतने अलग अलग टाइप के लोग हैं, तो उनके अलग अलग कल्चर्स हैं, तो वो कल्चर के हिसाब से अलग अलग फेस्टिवल्स भी हैं. तो हमारे कंट्री में तो बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स मनाया जाता है, राइट? या सो पीपल डेफिनेटली एन्जॉय द फेस्टिवल्स. Yeah, different festivals are celebrated in the west as well as north, as well as south, as well as east. Okay, with respect to the west, the Ras Garba of Gujarat, we all were timely waiting every year for the Garba. Yeah, so the 9 nights. Yeah, that is also very pomp, very famous all over the world. Then the folk songs and dances of Rajasthan, and especially the Ghumar dance of the Rajasthanis. Not only that song Ghumar, but the original Ghumar dance of the Rajasthan, that is also very beautiful and very like it is a very means all almost people from all over the world appreciate, so it is very famous also, as there very differently it stands for the traditional way of their culture, the Rajasthani culture. Yeah. Then the Lavani of Maharashtra is also famed. Even the Lavani dance of Maharashtra is also very much appreciated by in the whole country, as well as beyond the borders of the country, that is the whole world. People, when they visit our country, they do try to have an exposure of these kind of art forms, as well as the dance, the culture that we prefer in various part of our country. Yeah. Then the fairs, अभी मेला जो भी लगता है every year or a month, whatever it is, the Tarnetar fair, Bhavnath, Shamlaji, Dang Darbar, these are some of the fairs which are very important. Yeah. Then the festivals like Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid Milad, Christmas, etc. are also celebrated together by one and all. We do celebrate all the festivals irrespective of the religion that we belong to, or the language that we say, or the culture that we belong to. We are one. Therefore, we celebrate all the festivals, all the culture, all the cuisines, everything in an equal perspective. Clear? So, this is all about the Western India. Yes, now let's start with the social life of the people of North India. Okay, North Indians का basic जो फूड होता है दैट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन वीट. ओके, वीट बेस्ड फूड होता है, गेहूँ के बेस्ड. या दे कंज्यूम लॉट ऑफ पल्सेस. उन लोग कठोर भी बहुत खाते हैं, दैट इज़ दाल, देन the green gram, Bengal gram, etc. Those are the things that they consume the most. Okay, then vegetables, fruits, then butter, ghee, milk products, etc. Lassi, which is a sweetened buttermilk of Punjab, is a delight to the taste buds. हाँ, वो उनका एक famous dish है. Okay. Then Punjab, as you know, it is a land of 5 rivers. Okay, the people over there are very sturdy and hardworking. Sturdy means very firm and bold. एकदम proper होते हैं वो. Okay, then men and boys, what do they wear? They wear loose pants, kurta pajama type. Okay, pants and collared shirt or t-shirt, and some males also wear kurta pajamas, jacket with the jacket, the traditional Indian form wear. Okay, then for yeah, and they also wear that pagdi on their heads, that also you know, the turbans. Yeah, the women wear salwar kameez, they wear the dress. Okay, which is विद द ब्राइट कलर दुपट्टास, मीन्स उनका दुपट्टा बहुत पॉम्पस होता है, मतलब अलग अलग शेड्स, बहुत ही डार्क शेड्स की भी होते हैं, ब्राइट शेड्स की भी होते हैं, विद वेरियस डिज़ाइंस एंड ऑल. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज़ अबाउट जम्मू कश्मीर. Next is about Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is also known as the heaven on the earth. Yes, it means the natural beauty of the place. It's so splendid, so marvelous that really it's a very memorable view. Okay, for many of us, and therefore it is known as the heaven of the earth. Okay, costumes, that is the people that there. What do they wear? They are actually they have the prominent skill of embroidery designing. Okay, and very neatly carved designing. Therefore the form of clothing that they wear it will also consist of the designs of the embroidery, and the clothing material that they prefer is according to the region. It's a cold region, right, with a cold climate. Therefore people prefer dressings also as such. The traditional fairan, that is a long tunic stretching out to their feet with full long स्लीव्स, मतलब लंबे स्लीव्स जैसा होता है, पूरा गाउन जैसा नीचे तक रहता है. ठीक है, इट इज़ अ मोस्ट पॉपुलर फॉर्म ऑफ ड्रेस अमंग बोथ men and women. Both men and women prefer such dresses. They also wear Mughal type turbans. Okay, men on the headgear, and colored scarf, that is taranga, worn by women on their heads. Or women also wear a scarf but in different form, but men wear the turban. Okay, variation can be seen in the outfit according to the modernization, according to the changes in the lifestyle and all. Variations is also witnessed over each and every place. Yeah. Next is regarding the houses in the North India. All the houses generally have the terrace, okay, and are made of bricks, stone, then wood and mud. Then the Dal Lake in Jammu Kashmir is well known for its famed houseboats known as the shikaras. Dal Lake में, ठीक है, हाउस बोट्स होते हैं, तो उसके लिए काफ़ी फेमस है. देन हिंदी इज़ वाइडली स्पोकन इन द नॉर्थ इंडिया, दैट यू ऑल नो. बट बिसाइड्स हिंदी, पंजाबी, सिंधी, देन कश्मीरी आर ऑल्सो स्पोकन. लोकल डायलैक्ट्स सच एज भोजपुरी, बिहारी आर स्पोकन इन उत्तर प्रदेश. ओके, डायलैक्ट मतलब उनका थोड़ा एक्सेंट डिफर करता है ऐसा. Okay, next is regarding the festivals and fairs in North India. Festivals and fairs are also celebrated with great favor, with great pomp. There are many famous festivals in North India that are celebrated by the people. वो अलग अलग टाइप के फेस्टिवल्स जो लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं नॉर्थ इंडिया में. बैसाखी है जो पंजाब में सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. भांगड़ा जो फोक डांस है पंजाब का, इट इज़ वेरी लाइवली एंड मोस्टली लाइक्ड बाय ऑल. यस, द फोक सॉन्ग्स ऑफ कश्मीर, डिवोशनल सॉन्ग्स ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश एंड पंजाब आर वेल नोन. जो फोक सॉन्ग्स होते हैं कश्मीर के और डिवोशनल सॉन्ग्स जो होते हैं उत्तर प्रदेश के और पंजाब के बहुत ही फेमस होते हैं. Then the nature of the people of North India however differs. While Punjabis are lively and cheerful, the Kashmiris are quiet and poised. हाँ, उन नॉर्थ के लोगों में डिफरेंस दिखेगा बिहेवियर में. जो पंजाबीज होते हैं वो बहुत ही मतलब ओवर एक्सप्रेसिव होते हैं, बहुत ही चीयरफुल, एकदम लाइवली होते हैं. एंड कश्मीरीज दे आर वेरी डिफरेंट, दे आर वेरी क्वाइट एंड पॉइज, मतलब वो इतना ज़्यादा इंटरेक्टिव नहीं होते हैं इन स्पाइट ऑफ बीइंग फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ. Jammu and Kashmir is known as a paradise on the earth. As I told you, the heaven on the earth, because of its amazing landscape and scenic beauty. The area is among the world's most beautiful places with beautiful snow-covered mountains, green valleys are there, natural lakes are there. Then it is bestowed with the natural beauty. Yeah. Then we can see countless gardens, terrace lawns, cascading fountains, अलग अलग fountains दिखता है. पेंट बॉक्स, ब्राइट फ्लावर बेड्स, मतलब फ्लावर के भी इतने रेंजेस हैं वो दिखते हैं. और इट्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस. ओके, हाँ. Then handicraft is the traditional industry of the state and has been of crucial importance. Some of the items of the industry are paper mache, wood carving, carpet, shawl making, embroidery, etc. Saffron is predominantly cultivated here. Saffron भी यहाँ पे केसर जो बोलते हैं वो भी होता है, तो ये सब यूज़ करके. और उनका आर्टिस्टिक भी बहुत है, हैंडीक्राफ्ट डिज़ाइंस, एम्ब्रॉयडरी है, ये सब बहुत ही उनका मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही प्रोमिनेंट है एंड बहुत ही वेल नोन है. इन प्रॉपर वे दे आर इंट्रिकेटिंग इट. ओके, एग्रीकल्चर एंड नॉन एग्रीकल्चर एग्रीकल्चर एंड एग्रीकल्चर रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज़ इज़ अ प्रिंसिपल ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ नॉर्थ इंडिया. एग्रो बेस्ड मतलब एग्रीकल्चरल बेस्ड उनका ऑक्यूपेशन होता है नॉर्थ के पीपल का. देन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ऑल्सो दे आर एंगेज इन स्मॉल स्केल एंड कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज, बट मैक्सिमम ऑफ देम आर इन्वॉल्व इन agricultural activities only. Okay, so today we have discussed of the two parts of our country, that is the Western India as well as the Northern India. In the Google Meet we'll be discussing the Southern India as well as the Eastern India today. So meet you in Google Meet at 1 o'clock. Have a nice day. Take care.